everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Craft. My name is Tanishka and today I'll be showing you how to make fidget toys. So first we'll be making a glitter water balloon fidget toy. So for that we'll be needing scissors, stars, glitter, water, balloon. One white or transparent is better, and any other color balloon. And also a funnel. So let's get started. So first take the white or transparent balloon and then put it over the funnel. Here I have made a funnel out of plastic bottle. Okay, so now first we'll pour in the glitters and the stars. Here I have took blue and golden glitter, star, and with red glitter. Blue stars. Now glitter. Okay, so now we have enough of glitter and stars in here. So we'll pour water. So for that, make sure you hold on to the balloon because the balloon might just come out because of the weight of the water. Oops, and carefully pour in the water. Be mindful of how much water you put in. Then take the balloon out of the funnel. So I have filled the water and I've tied it. And now let's take the other balloon and then we'll make some holes on the side. So I made a hole over here. You have to hold it like this and then make a hole on the side. Anywhere you want actually. It's not necessary that it should be on the side. So try to make it short or medium. Medium is fine. So I made some holes over here. This is already very nice to play. See, you can see the stars and the glitter over here in the ground. Now you have to put the balloon, this balloon, just pull it like this. Small balloon, like this. So here I have inserted the balloon. It's very good for stress relief for some people and it even looks funny. So now let's go to the next part. Same way I have done it with Orbeez in it instead of glitter. So now we'll be doing an cute avocado puppet fidget toy. So for that you'll be needing felt paper. It's avocado theme. So we'll be taking green and brown. Then hot glue, pen or sketch pen, cardboard and scissors, a marble or anything round which can fit into any stencil like this. Not stencil, any container. And then hot hair straightener. Please be careful while using this, it's very hot. So first, here I took an avocado photo picture for outlining and the shape. So first I'll be cutting out a piece from this. I need a small piece because anyway this will be going for the puppet part. I'll be cutting a small square out of it. Okay, I have this and this half would be the one I'm using as the avocado. Okay, I'll be drawing this shape on the cardboard. So that's for the base. So I have traced it on the cardboard. Now I'm going to cut it and then I'm going to cut the same shape over here. So I've cut out the cardboard piece. So now I'll be tracing it on this. Cutting it on this. Tracing tracing it. Just a rough trace. Now I'm going to cut the felt paper. And yeah, I'm done. I'll be cutting out the same thing on the other piece of sheet. So here I have two pieces. So first I'll be cutting out the hole over here. So here I've cut it out in the cardboard. Now I'll be just tracing the same thing on the avocado foam sheet. First I'll be folding the area of the circle and then I'll make a slit over there so that it will be easier for me to cut. Yeah. So now we'll be sticking one foam avocado to one cardboard avocado, only one side, because we need to first do the puppet area before we stick the other side. Okay, just remove. I have a removable sticking option in this foam sheet. So with that, we do like this, and yeah, we'll be making the puppet part. So first we take the brown paper, okay, then take the hot hair straightener, and now the brown paper, and then we got to carefully put it inside and like this, and do it 2-3 times. Okay, now fast. We take this and then we put this like this while it's hot. Then we press it hard into it like this. And yeah, we have the puppet. This size puppet. First we'll check if it just fits here. Yes, it perfectly fits. And now I'm going to cut out this, leaving a little bit of side so that we can attach it. I'll be just cutting it out. So I have trimmed it out. So I'm going to stick it like this. Hot glue. Now we're gonna stick this side over here. Okay, I have stuck it. So now I'm just coloring with dark green on the sides to give it a shade. Now I'm going to just draw the eyes and the mouth of it to make it look cute. And avocado puppet. Boop. Boop. It's so cute. So we have reached the end of the video, and these are our crafts. This is the one we made with glitter, the one with Orbeez, and avocado. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more crafts and arts. Bye bye.